Hey guys, welcome back to another exclusive podcast from IronFX. At IronFX, we're dedicated to bringing you the absolute best trading education to help you take your trading to the next level. In today's podcast, we'll be talking about which currency pair should you trade, which one should you focus on, what should you watch. There are many prominent forex currency pairs in the market. These include the euro dollar, the pound dollar, the US yen, and the Swiss franc. The yen is the Japanese yen, the official currency of Japan. The Swiss franc, or the CHF, is the official currency of Switzerland. In addition, there are also commodity pairs, which are also listed alongside the major forex pairs, the Aussie US, the US CAD, and the Kiwi dollar, the NZD USD. A commodity pair consists of foreign currencies from nations with extensive natural resources. As such, these resources underpin their respective currencies, with the price of commodity currencies heavily influenced by the raw material prices. Aside from the major currency pairs, you would also encounter cross-currency pairs in the forex market. Essentially, a cross-currency pair does not feature the US dollar. These include the Euro Swiss franc, or EUR CHF, the Euro pound, and the Euro yen. The liquidity of these cross-currency pairs is not quite at the same level as the major forex pairs, but it's still sufficient for direct exchange with minimal volatility. When it comes to selecting which currency pairs to trade or to pay attention to, you should consider several key factors. The first of which is which time zone are you trading in? Focus on the currency pair and the market which is opened at the same time. This could also ensure higher liquidity, which also means potentially more price movements or possibly even more steady price movements. Secondly, it comes down to whether are you a swing or a scalper trader, or both. Swing traders tend to prefer currencies which tend to maintain within the trend, while traders who scalp might look towards currencies which has higher volatility and possibly more choppy price movements. While there really isn't a best currency pair to trade, from my experience, I do believe that traders with different skill levels and different amount of time to spend in front of the screen should pay attention to different currency pairs. New traders should focus on currency pairs which has a tendency to follow a trend with less choppy price action. Such currency pairs could be the Aussie US, the New Zealand US dollar, or even the US yen. Understanding the characteristics of how a currency pair moves is crucial to your long-term consistency and profitability. The characteristics of a currency pair is a factor often overlooked by traders as they approach different pairs with the same ideals. With trending currencies, you'll be able to look forward towards more consistent moves, which could also mean less potential heart attacks or shocks with sudden spike in prices. Although it could be viewed as potentially more boring, this is also the reason why it will be more suitable for the new traders. For more advanced traders who are able and looking forward to take advantage of shorter price movements, as price spikes towards a direction and possibly reversing just as quickly, the few currency pairs to concentrate on and to focus on would be the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and even the US CAD. These pairs tend to move more aggressively as several factors contribute to the overall price movements. For the euro dollar, it will be the decisions from the ECB, the European Central Bank, and they consider all the different countries in the Eurozone. For the pound dollar, the current worries come from the inflationary pressures, but previously, the movements in the price of the pound dollar came from the political uncertainty and Brexit. And for the US CAD, the price moves not just because of what happens in the US or Canada, but from the volatility of energy prices overall. Whichever currency you choose to focus on and trade on, remember that you want to make sure it fits within the time available to monitor the charts and also the potential volatility of the currency. Anyway, guys, that's it from me for today's podcast on the currency pairs and which ones to focus on. Do remember to subscribe to our podcast, as here at IronFX, we're dedicated to bringing you the very best trading education to take your trading to the next level. Till then, stay safe and trade safe.